Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you a quick trick to get more the penguin material pack in Heartopia. This tutorial is very helpful if you are running out of the penguin material pack. This penguin material pack are really important for crafting the penguin furniture or winter frost furniture in Heartopia, but you can only get them from but you can only get them randomly from the quest from the reward quest. So to get the more material packs, you can just go to the card icons on here and then just tap on the rare collectible, this one, and then next just tap the material pack, penguin material pack, like this. And then in here, for the 10 material packs, you can purchase it with cost 50 Moonlight Crystals, like this. You can see it. And then next, just adjust the amount that you want to purchase on here, and after that just tap on purchase. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get more the penguin material pack easily in Heartopia. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.